So this is going to be a quick how-to, mostly for my sake. So when I need to do it again, posterity's sake, I'm going to be able to do it. So I run SuiteCRM. So we're going to talk about when you import something, namely the leads, how are we going to have a filter for duplication? So duplicate filter, very, very difficult to find. I did not know what to do, esoteric, and the documentation doesn't help. So you don't actually edit it in SuiteCRM's admin controls. You actually edit it in the database itself. So we'll go ahead and go to PHP My Admin and take a look at the database. I have 3 here, vTiger, WordPress, and here's the database for SuiteCRM. So we're gonna go ahead and open that bad boy. Go to the very bottom. We'll take a peek real quick and data dictionary. And so the field that can be filtered for duplication has to be indexed. And I don't know if I see my index in here. It doesn't, but that's okay. So for my, if this, that's letter. So I index on letter reference ID. I do mailers, so let me see. So here's the indexes. There we go. So there's the index, right? So I made that already, but in case you don't have an index, we'll go through and find, let me see if there's a search somewhere. There's a search, I'm sure. Contain the word letter. So somewhere in here. Okay, I don't remember where it is. Let me take a look at, so letters in the lead CTSM table. So we'll go ahead and hit lead CTSM. Here's our lead CTSM table. I know it's complicated if you don't do database stuff. So, and then in here, let me see, that should be, that's the datum. We'll go to either structure or SQL. So we'll go to structure and let's take a look, search, and we have, here's letter reference ID, and then you would go here and then do index. And then it would create an index, which would look like this. Here's the index created. The other part is, let me go ahead and log to my SuiteCRM. So the other part is after you've created an index on the field you want to be able to import leads as a filter for duplication filter, right? You need to come back to admin, repair, and then you need to do a quick repair and rebuild, because in theory you've created an index, but it's not necessarily using the index, because if it did, then the previous data that wasn't indexed would not have a search in it. And so you need to do a quick repair and rebuild for your B tree, and afterwards, next time you go to leads, import, you can pick, in my case, the letter reference ID as a collisionable exception. So that is how to do duplication and collision exception in SuiteCRM, how to add your own, because right now it only comes with first name, last name, and the referred person. So if you don't know what you're doing, then this probably still won't make sense. If you know what you're doing or what I'm talking about, then this will make sense, but mostly it's for the future me, so I don't have to dig through it again.